What's up guys, today I'll be showing you how I shot this photo right here. It's very easy to do if you find it waking up early in the morning. First of all, you're going to need a camera, obviously, and a bulb. You do not need a tripod or a remote. Now, I shot this with my Fujifilm X-T20 with the kit lens 18 to 55mm, but this can be done with most cameras. You could possibly do it with a smartphone camera, given that it does output good low light photos. I did have my ND8 filter on. You don't have to have one, but trust me, it does help you out so much when it comes to shooting photos like this. Plus, they're only like $10. Anyways, I did set up my GoPro to show you guys how I did this, but this happened because of the wind. Starting out, you want to Google what time sunrise is in your area. I shot this at the beach, but ideally this can be done anywhere where sunrise is visible. You want to get to your location around 20 to 30 minutes beforehand to set up. As you can see, I piled the rocks together in a mountain shape and stuck the bulb in there. Now, you don't have to do exactly what I did. You can get creative and have the bulb upside down. You can hold the bulb yourself or even have the bulb in water, given that the water is calm. So while waiting for the sun to come up, you want to practice your angles. I shot photos like this, played around with the ISO and the f-stops. Now, you don't have to have high shutter speed like I did, but I was trying out the best look for me. And that's about it, you guys. Once the sun starts lining up to you where you want it to be, start shooting away. You are free to try different f-stops. I personally focused on the middle of the bulb, and you want to aim to shoot as much photos as you can. I shot around 60 to 100 photos and only 5 of them were to my liking. And I can't express this enough, please do shoot in RAW because there's not enough information in JPEGs for you to edit around it. And that is the end of it guys. I just imported the image into Lightroom, added a filter, played around with the settings and got this result. There are thousands of free filters you can download online for free, and if you want to know how to install them, click on this link above. Thank you for watching, hopefully you guys found this useful, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.